Namaskar, I am Kubera Verma from Indian Finishing Technologies. Let us see the working and operation of flasher room control panel. This is the control panel with the branding of Indian Finishing Technologies, as we can see, and here is the front view of the control panel. And we have a side switch which is going to power on the control panel here. We are going to turn this on. We are able to see that RYB indications are on. First, let us understand what are the operation features available on the display of the panel. So here we can see this is the RYB indication, whether the 3-phase are present or not, and this is the controls for AHU of the flash off room with start and stop button with the variable speed knob, and this is the solvent extraction blower controls to power on and off, and this is a dummy, and this is the power on and off for a solvent extraction blower number 1, and this is the day night mode. We'll be explaining it further, and this is an emergency switch. So let us first turn on the AHU or the flash off room, and this let us turn on the SEBL 1 and 2 as what we are seeing. So let us look into the panel to understand the operation of the panel. So once this is on, with respect to that, we are going to set it to the day mode, which says that we are having a capacity to change the frequency for the motor from 30 Hz to 50 Hz. So let us see what is the frequency at which it is running. So the drive is at 41.8 Hz. By changing the port here, we would be able to control the speed till 30 Hz. So the minimum is 30 Hz and the maximum would be 50 Hz. So this is the control with the day mode. Once we switch on to the night mode, the speed would directly go to 35 Hz and it is going to be remain constant irrespective of the port variations. So let us also now understand what are the individual components which are there inside the control panel. So mainly the incoming cable is going to come through the incoming TVs. This will be connected to the bus bars. So let us first see the incoming cable is going to go to the switch, and the switch comes back to the fuses. These are the incoming fuses of rated 16 amperes, and this goes back to the bus bars for the splitting up of all 3-phase to the entire panel. Now this bus bars would give 3-phase power supply to all these 3 MPCBs, which is nothing but motor protection circuit breakers for individual motors. This we can see, this is the AHU MPCB, and these two are SEBL MPCBs. And with respect to this will be giving its output to the drive mains, and this motor output from the drive is going to get connected to the TV of the XM1. And here we were able to see these two are SEBL MPCBs, which are going to get connected to these contactors, and this contactor output is going to come to the XM2 and XM3 outputs of the control panel. And we can see there are some other components like this. These are the control relays to operate the drive, and this relay is an heater interlock which is installed or incorporated in the panel. And this we can see, this is a single phase preventer which has a 3 protection stages. As we can see, there is asymmetry, phase loss and phase sequence. So any of the fault occurs, it is going to trip the entire circuit. And this is an MCB, which is protection for in-house and exhaust fans. Okay, let us see the emergency operation. So once everything is on, once we press the